the curbs on exchanges in cryptocurrency, which had been imposed by the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, back in 2018. The three-judge bench said that RBI's circular was unreasonable and disproportionate. The apex court order followed a plea by the Internet and Mobile Association of India and multiple other PILs which had objected to the complete ban by the RBI. And Utkarsh, this is indeed a very important judgment coming in. It will shape the manner in which cryptocurrency may be used in the Indian markets in the coming time.
It's absolutely right. And this is exactly how the Supreme Court looked at the matter, that the government looks completely perplexed, confused about the virtual currencies, the cryptocurrencies, because there have been committees after committees, reports have come. One talks about regulation, another talked about the complete ban. But there is no law legislation which has been framed so far. While all this was happening at the government level, RBI decided to prohibit banking, all the other financial institutions which are under regulation by the RBI to deal with the virtual currency. On that aspect, the Supreme and the government itself does not know how to deal with the issue. How could the RBI impose a complete prohibition? Because there was no research, there was no study, there was no ground why the cryptocurrency financial institution could have been barred completely from dealing with cryptocurrencies. Now, on that very ground, the Supreme Court has said that the absolute ban was disproportionate, it was unreasonable, and therefore the Supreme Court today has in fact opened the doors for dealing with cryptocurrency. There is no ban as such on any banks after the Supreme Court's order to deal with the cryptocurrency.
Utkarsh, going forward, what is it that could perhaps happen? Because as you reported, this is a door which has been kept ajar. The notification has been quashed. Perhaps the details of the judgment can tell us that in which direction really the cryptocurrency can actually be used in India, if at all.
There were two types of petitions in this very matter. One petition was about this 2018 circular specifically. Now that circular has been done away with the Supreme Court's order today. The other petition is about the regulation, prohibition and all those aspects of the cryptocurrency, in which the central government had submitted the report to which the court has today said that the government looks confused about how to deal with the cryptocurrency. It is completely up to government to now come up either with new regulations or with a new law which can again be challenged before the Supreme Court, and then the Supreme Court will decide the validity. But insofar as the RBI's prohibition is concerned, that has been done away with by the Supreme Court today. Supreme Court has said that complete prohibition, which was like a shadow ban on cryptocurrency in India, that was unreasonable and disproportionate.
Utkarsh, what were the key arguments by which the RBI and the central government attempted to defend the notification which put a complete ban on the bitcoins?
The government said that cryptocurrency is completely new insofar as India's economy is concerned. There are various threats involved. The studies are currently being undertaken. There is no conclusive proof of anything. Again, something which the Supreme Court doubted by saying that when the government says that there is no conclusive study, that it has affected any banking activity or any financial institution, when the government itself is not certain about that, why should there be an absolute prohibition on dealing with the cryptocurrency? This was an argument which in fact went against the government. Government also talked about error financing, money laundering. All these were apprehensions raised by the government, but the Supreme Court found that these were mere apprehensions. There was nothing to substantiate it. Not even one evidence was produced by the government before the Supreme Court to say that because of cryptocurrency, any bank, any banking activity or any other financial institution has been hampered or has been harmed. For want of those empirical evidence, the Supreme Court today held the 2018 circular of the RBI to be banned in law.
All right. Thank you, Utkarsh, for putting all the developments. It is indeed a very important